you're a mom that has kids that play sports, or you like to frequently go to the beach, this is the wagon that you need. This is a double-decker wagon that actually holds up to 450 pounds. I mean, just look at this thing. Hell yeah, that's insane. The quality on this is crazy. You get a spot down here for your tents, canopies, chairs. You got a ton of space up here to fit sports equipment, coolers, even your kids. And because of this bottom spot down here, you can hold so much stuff. And I like that the side is mesh too, so if I want to put stuff in on the side, I can. The wheels are easy to unlock or lock just like that. And the wheels are 4 inches, so that means you can actually go on all different types of terrain with this. Whether you want to go on gravel, grass, sand, perfect for the beach, perfect for the park. If you're a travel ball mom, soccer mom, sports mom, you're gonna love the quality on this. It's insane. And you get the 2 cup holders. Now when I got it, I thought it was gonna be cheap because I saw the price. But listen, right now they're on an early summer sale, so if you want to check these out before they sell out, I'll go and link